So don't get jealous over legal walls, just paint them, paint over the worst thing down there. And my piece under here was the worst thing down here previously, so that's why I'm painting over it. So here we go, just got back from painting. Right, I'll give you some context over this video and that piece that I just painted. So basically I plan to go to the wall under that zigzag bridge and paint something quite complex, some quite complex letters and a character. Unfortunately I couldn't do that because at this time of year that zigzag bridge gets like condensation on it and it just has water running down it. So yeah, couldn't paint what I'd planned to do, and it's raining today. And the main wall was, well, it was raining, so I didn't really want to get wet. So anyway, got to the zigzag bridge, found the wall was wet, and then I found somebody had written me a little note, clearly addressed to me, saying don't get jealous over legal walls or some shit like that, which is quite amusing. Probably some kind of it's probably in relation to recent videos that I've posted. I think I know who it is. Probably the guy that I painted over previously. So anyway, that's quite amusing. So I thought I'd paint over the whole lot. I should have actually filmed it so you guys could have seen it in this video. I didn't, but anyway, I painted something, just quick freestyle. So yeah, just out having fun painting Graff. So yeah, I'd like to see some more notes from this dude. I'm not going to say his name on here. Yeah, maybe we could paint together sometime if you watch this video. You know, contact me on my Instagram or on here, and yeah, maybe we could actually go paint a wall together. That'd be cool. That'd be better than kind of just painting over each other. Not that I'm painting over you for beef, but I'm just painting because I was down there and I wanted to paint it, and I was just painting over the worst thing on the wall. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, drop me a comment, tell me what you thought about this video, whether it's a load of bullshit or whatever. Was the freestyle, was it okay? What do you think of it? It was a bit shit, to be honest, like most of my freestyles. But anyway, yeah, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.